Hi y'all, it's the Black Bonsai guy here to do a quick video on this prickly pear that I have in my backyard. I have it in a pot with this barrel cactus, and it needs to come out of this pot. It's overgrown this pot, but I wanted to do just a quick video to show you all that prickly pears produce flowers depending on where you are. A lot of people don't have cactuses and they never get a chance to really see these. I just wanted to do just a quick video to show you guys. These flowers are edible. You can use them in salads, or you can use it like lettuce, just like you would use in a salad. People also take the actual prickly pear and make juices from them, eat them, saute them. All you would do is dethorn them, slice the exterior layer off, and you can eat it. And this is just how they look. You can actually break this off right here, and this will grow roots, and you can regrow prickly pear from that. I'll just walk you guys down the bottom. Pretty expensive cactus to get, and these are some flowers that have already bloomed and they're ready to fall off. I'll take it off so you can see. This is a huge barrel cactus full of oleander flowers that fell off. Got an oleander right here. And this is my olive tree right here. But I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys these flowers. I know a lot of people across the world don't get a chance to see this. Let me rotate around. Try to do this as smoothly as possible. All right, that's it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And share. And I'll be back with another video.